Working under your car in a cramped garage with a wobbling jack and no space to move is no fun. That's why having a solid car lift at home can be a lifesaver, because it saves time, saves your back, and makes working on your car way safer and easier. So in this video, I'm going over the 7 best car lifts for home garages you can actually rely on. These aren't just random picks. I looked at safety, lifting capacity, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you're doing basic maintenance or serious wrenching, there's something here that makes sense for a real home garage. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these car lifts aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the worst hydraulic car ramps. This is the most budget-friendly car lift on our list. If you have to work under your car without spending a ton of money, this setup makes sense. These aren't basic drive-on ramps. Each one has a built-in hydraulic jack through which you lift the car even higher once it's already in place. That extra height is a big thing when you're doing oil changes or quick checks underneath. They're rated to handle up to 11,060 pounds, and the lift height adjusts from about 10 inches to nearly 15 inches. That gives you flexibility depending on how low your car sits. Plus, it's made from heavy-duty steel with angle iron construction and thicker plates where it matters. And the setup is pretty simple. The jack comes separate, so you bolt it on, slide in the safety pins, and you're good to go. Now, those pins are important because they help lock everything in place once the car's lifted. You're also going to have anti-slip pads underneath to keep the ramps from sliding around on the floor. These are best for smaller cars and sedans rather than big trucks or oversized tires. So if you want a car lift that covers the basics, saves space, and keeps costs low, the wussest hydraulic car ramps are a smart budget pick. Number 6 is the A+ Lift Mid-Rise Scissor Lift. This is best for low ceilings on our list. It stays low, lifts clean, and gives you enough room to work without feeling boxed in. This car lift is rated for 6,600 pounds, so it handles most cars, SUVs, and even light trucks. The max lift height goes about 55 inches with the adjustable screw pads, which is more than enough for tire work, brakes, suspension, and underbody checks. Now, you won't be standing under the car, but sitting or rolling under it feels easy and natural. And the dual hydraulic cylinders lift smoothly and evenly, so the car stays level as it goes up. Plus, the triple roller design adds extra stability and keeps solid contact with the floor, which helps on concrete garage floors. It also comes with truck adapters and gives you extra height when you need it. I also like that it runs on a standard 110-volt outlet. You don't need special wiring or any upgrades. Just plug it in and go. Safety is covered too, with multiple lock positions and an emergency shutoff button right on the power unit. One buyer wrote, "Had this thing up and running 45 minutes after delivery. Works great and is underrated for sure. Thick steel, good welds. Heavy-duty cylinders, runs great. Quiet and cord cap is rated at 15 amps, so no issues there." Also, the build quality feels heavy-duty, and a Plus Lift backs it with a long structural warranty, which adds some peace of mind. So if you've got a low ceiling and want a strong, simple, and space-friendly lift, the A+ Lift Mid-Rise Scissor Lift is the smartest fit for tight garages. Number 5 is the Nussbaum Sprinter 7. This is the heaviest duty car lift on our list. This lift is for people who do serious work on cars, not just quick jobs. The first thing you'll notice is its solid construction. It doesn't wobble at all. Drive on, lift it, and everything feels locked in and calm. Now, it has a 7,000-pound capacity, which covers everything from small cars to heavy SUVs and off-road vehicles. The lift rises up to about 40 inches, which is perfect for tire work, brakes, exhaust jobs, detailing, and body work. Again, you can't walk under it, but on a stool, you have clear and easy access. What really sets it apart is the 360-degree access. There are no posts in the way, so moving around the car feels natural. And the mounting areas are length adjustable, and the drive-on ramps lock and unlock with one hand. That makes the setup faster, especially with longer or lower cars. The platforms are also anti-slip and protected from dirt and moisture, so they hold up over time. Even though it's portable, it's made of heavy-duty steel, so it's not something you casually pick up. But with the mobile kit, one person can still move it when needed, and it doesn't need to be permanently anchored to work. So if you want a tough professional-grade lift that handles serious vehicles and still fits flexible spaces, the Nussbaum Sprinter 7 is the heavy-duty choice that makes sense. Number 4 is the Nussbaum Jumbo HF 7. This is the best professional-level car lift on our list. This car lift is fast, smooth, and reliable. If you're not sure about leveling or slow lifts, this one is going to handle it all. You drive on, press the control, and it works. It has a 7,000-pound capacity, which covers sports cars, daily drivers, SUVs, and even vans. The double scissor design keeps everything stable, and the lift goes all the way up to about 79 inches. That means you can stand and move under the car instead of crouching the whole time. But the best part is the Hyperflow hydraulic system. You don't have to do manual leveling. Just raise it to the top, lower it, and it self-levels on its own, and that saves a lot of time. The platforms are length adjustable too, so low cars and longer vehicles both fit without any problem. And the drive-on ramps can be locked or unlocked with one hand, which sounds small, but it makes setup way faster. Also, it's ALI, certified and built for shops that need speed and reliability. It also doesn't take up much floor space, which is huge for busy garages. So if you want a fast and reliable lift that feels truly professional every time you use it, the Nussbaum Jumbo HF 7 is built for serious work. And if you want to know the latest prices for the car lifts for home garages discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Built Hard 2-post automotive car lift. This is the best 2-post car lift for home garages on our list. Now this one is built for real work, but it still makes sense for a home garage if you've got the space and power for it. Once a car is up, you'll get full access underneath. You're not going to have any frames in the way, so you don't have to bend awkwardly. It can lift up to 12,000 pounds, which means trucks, SUVs, vans, all of it. And the freestanding design is a big deal. You don't need overhead beams or special ceiling support, so it works better in garages with lower ceilings. And the wide drive-through clearance also makes pulling in and lining up way easier, especially with bigger vehicles. As for safety, it feels simple and smart. The single-point lock release lets you control all the safety locks from one spot, so you're not running around checking each side. Just lift, lock, and work with confidence. And the clear floor layout keeps the ground space open, which makes moving tools and creepers less annoying. And the power comes from a strong 220-volt, 4-horsepower motor. It lifts smoothly and quickly, even with heavier vehicles. Plus, the steel build feels solid, like something meant to last for years, not seasons. So, if you want a true shop-style lift that gives serious strength and clean working space, the Built Hard 2-post car lift is the best 2-post option for home garages. Number 2 is the Vevor portable car lift. This is the most portable car lift for home garages on our list. If space matters to you, then this one really makes sense for you. You don't need a full shop or a permanent setup. Just roll it out when you need it. Lift the car, do your work, then fold it up and get it out of the way. This makes it way more flexible than bigger lifts. This car lift is built from heavy-duty carbon steel and can handle up to 7,000 pounds, so it works for most cars, SUVs, and even trucks. One customer wrote, "Very nice unit, good price and shipping. Best part is coming pre-built. All you need to do is add oil and you're ready to go." I've used it on 4 different vehicles. If you can't use a full-size 2-post, this is a great option. Yes, it's heavy but easy to set up and take down. The lift height goes from about 10 inches to almost 27 inches, which gives you plenty of room to get under the car without feeling squeezed. The 4 lifting columns and adjustable pads help you line things up properly even on longer vehicles. Plus, safety is handled well too. Once the car is up, mechanical safety locks hold everything in place, so the weight isn't sitting on the hydraulics. The rubber pads grip the car firmly, which helps keep things stable while you're working. Moving it around is easier than you'd expect for something this solid. It has strong wheels, carry handles, and a foldable design. You can even hang it on the wall when you're done. It runs on a standard 120-volt outlet, so no special wiring is needed. So if you want a strong car lift that's easy to move, store, and use in tight garage spaces, the Vevor portable car lift is a smart pick for portability. Number 1 is the QuickJack 7000 Turkish Lira portable car lift bundle. This is the best overall car lift for home garages on our list. If you work on your car at night or on weekends, this thing is gonna make your life easier. Instead of dragging out a floor jack and messing with jack stands, just roll this out, plug it in, and lift the whole car evenly. It can lift up to 7,000 pounds, so it works for most cars, SUVs, and even light trucks. The lift height is higher than that of older quick jack models, which means more room to work under the car without feeling cramped. And once it's up, the automatic safety locks click in, so the car stays put while you work. The one-handed operation is another nice touch. You're not fighting levers or pumping like crazy. Just press the button and it does the heavy lifting for you. Plus, it runs on a standard 110-volt power unit, so you don't need special wiring in your garage. This bundle also includes truck adapters and wall hangers, which help if you work on taller vehicles and want to store everything neatly. And it's ALI certified too, which adds peace of mind. Dr. Mac wrote in a review, "I was nervous about this jack. Would it be quality built and perform as advertised? Yes, it is very sturdy. The setup instructions look a bit daunting at first, but they're really easy. The jacks are heavy, but they should be. They lift my Suburban effortlessly in a few seconds. I would recommend these jacks if you need to work under cars." So, if you want a safe, easy-to-use car lift that feels professional without needing a full shop setup, the QuickJack 7000 TL is hard to beat for home garages. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect car lift. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each car lift. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.